This integral is definitely not easy, and I believe that could be more than one method to do it. Now, here is my method. Well, my way, I think it's very nice. I want to share with you. I start with by parts. This is U, this is dV. So this will be equal to UV, U times V, right? This one times the natural log 1 minus x plus root x minus V du, integral V d du, right? This is a natural log 1 plus root x plus root x. Okay, good. I have to write very carefully because it's very easy to come up mistake. Now this is okay. I discussed this integral separately. So I discussed this integral x d log 1 minus x plus root x. I using substitution. Let x be sine square theta. The reason is obvious. I can get rid of a square root. So this one is equal to sine square theta d natural log cosine theta plus sine theta. Very good. Now here, the sine theta plus quarter pi is equal to sine theta times cosine quarter pi, which is a 1 over root 2, plus cosine theta times sine quarter pi is also 1 over root 2. So 1 over root 2 is a common factor. And the sine theta plus cosine theta. Therefore, sine plus cosine is equal to root 2 times sine quarter pi plus theta. So this is what I want. So this one equal to sine square theta d d log d log root 2 times sine theta plus quarter pi. Wow. Very easy to make a mistake here. Okay. Now, sine theta is equal to half 1 minus cosine 2 theta, right? This this derivative with respect to theta is equal to square root 2 sine theta plus quarter pi, right? This one times the cosine and the d. Okay, simply mean the derivative of this one with respect to theta plus quarter pi. So this one is equal to this is the first part is 1/2, right? 1/2 times this. This is a cotangent. Cotangent theta plus quarter pi, right? D theta plus quarter pi. That is the first part. The second part minus 1/2 uh, cosine 2 theta times cotangent theta plus quarter pi, right? And d plus quarter pi. Well, I hope you can see clearly. The first part is easy. That is 1/2 log sine theta plus quarter pi, right? That is this integral with respect to theta plus quarter pi. And the minus. Now here, let me use a nice paper trick here. The conversion of sine and cosine if this angle is say is alpha, then this is a sine alpha, right? This is sine alpha. This is a cosine alpha. This length, okay? This length is sine alpha. Now, when you increase by half pi, this is half pi, right? Plus. Then this length is a sine alpha plus half pi, right? This length. This length is cosine alpha plus half pi. And the relation, now, sine alpha plus half pi, this is equal to this, right? Is equal to cosine alpha. And cosine alpha plus half pi is equal to negative sine alpha. See, it's a very easy to make mistake. Also, you know, if you one is positive, one's negative, it has to be very careful. Now here, cosine 2 theta. Cosine 2 theta is a sine 2 theta plus half pi, right? It's 1/2 integral. Cosine 2 theta is equal to sine 2 theta plus half pi. So this equal to sine positive, right? No change in sign. Sine 2 theta plus quarter pi, right? This means 2 theta plus half pi times cos tangent theta plus quarter pi d theta plus quarter pi. Wow, have to be very careful. Now this one is equal to 1/2 well, I have something done before. Yeah, right. This is equal to root times this one is a natural log 1 over root 2 times cosine theta plus sine theta. Right? And minus 1/2. Cotangent is cosine over sine. This is a 2 sine cosine. So it becomes 2 1, integral cosine square, right? Yeah. Yeah. This one becomes this. Therefore, yeah, this will be 1/2 natural log 1 over root 2 cosine theta plus sine theta minus this one. This one is equal to what? This is equal to, this cancel out, right? Becomes 1/2 integral 1 minus 1 plus cosine 2 theta plus quarter pi, right? D plus quarter pi. Yeah. So this one is equal to 1/2 times log 1 over root 2 plus 1 over log cosine plus sine. The first integral is 1 minus plus quarter pi. The other one is 1/2 sine, right? Sine 2 theta plus quarter pi plus c. Okay, good. This integral is this integral is that. Now, this is a number. C is a number, so I can combine with c, right? So this is gone. This goes to c. So 1/2 natural log cosine theta plus sine theta minus half theta. Quarter pi times 2/2 is a number. That number combined with the c, so this is gone. And plus 1/4 1 sine 2 theta plus half pi. This is sine theta plus half pi, right? We have this one is equal to positive cosine. So this one is equal to positive cosine 2 theta. This one is this. This one is the cosine positive. So this equal to 1 positive and negative. This is a negative. This is a negative. So this one is a positive, right? Positive or negative. Now let me check it again. This goes to C. This one is here. This one time this one is negative. This time this one goes to C. And this is negative quarter pi, right? Negative quarter. This is a cosine 2 theta here plus c, right? This one is positive cosine. Okay, good. Then I have to convert back to x, right? So sine square theta is equal to x, right? So x equal to sine theta, right? So theta is equal to arc sine root x. Also that we can convert by using triangles. This is theta. Sine theta is root x. So this is this one minus this one squared is equal to square root of 1 minus x, right? So this, okay, good. So I convert back. This one is equal to 1/2 natural log cosine theta is this over that, right? Is this. Sine theta is equal to root x. Here, that is this. Minus half theta is arc sine root x minus 1/4 cosine 2 theta. Cosine 2 theta is cosine square minus sine square, right? Isn't it? Okay, good. So this one is equal to this one is equal to half natural log 1 minus this one plus root x minus half sine inverse sine x minus 1/4 cosine is equal to this, right? Square minus this one plus c, okay? So this one is equal to half natural log 1 minus root x plus root x minus half arc sine root x. This will be what? This will be positive half x plus c. Yeah. This one is what? This one is what we are discussed here. This one. We have to put back into our target integral, which is this minus that is our answer. Therefore, my target integral log 1 minus x plus root x dx, this is my target integral, okay, is equal to this minus that, minus what we have done. So this one is equal to overall equal to x natural log 1 minus x plus root x minus this. The whole stuff we are doing. See? So minus 1/2 natural log plus root x. Change the sign, right? Because minus plus 1/2 arc sine x minus half x plus c. Yeah, that is our big job doing just have done. So that is the result of our integral. And you may you may verify by taking derivative of this one, right, with respect to x, then go back to the integrand. I leave the job to you. You just take a derivative and verify the answer is correct. Because this, I made a question by myself, therefore I don't have a correct answer at hand. But rather, verification is the best way to prove this is true. Okay, thank you for your watching.